Hello everyone. Today we will do construction based on angle side angle. Means if two angles and one side are given, how to construct. I have taken a question. Construct triangle PQR. PQ equal to 5 centimeter. Angle PQR 105. Angle QRP 40 degree. For it, first I will draw rough figure. As base is given PQ 5 centimeter. So I will start like this. PQ equal to 5 centimeter. Angle Q is given 105. This is obtuse. So definitely its direction will be like this. So I will draw like this. So this is 105 and this will be R, and angle QRP is given 40 degree. This is 40 degree. If I will see base is given, angle Q is given, and this measurement is not given. So this is not possible to construct 40 degree. So by using angle sum property of triangle, I will find out angle P. We know this sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle P is not given, angle R is 105, angle Q is 105, angle R is 40 degree. So angle P will be equal to 180 minus 145. It will be 35. It means rather than constructing 40 degree, I will take 35 degree. So now let's start. So rough figure is important so that it will give you idea how to start. So first I will draw PQ equal to 5 centimeter. And 105 is multiple of 15. So it will be drawn using compass. So as I told earlier, take appropriate radius. This is basic arc with 0 degree with the same radius, 60 degree arc. Then from 60 degree, this is 120. And you know this 105 is half of 210. And it means if I will use 90 degree as center from this basic and 120, I will get angle of 105. So from here, first I will construct 90 degree from using 60 and 120. This is, okay, this is 90 degree. This is 90, this is 60 degree arc, this is 120. So you can change radius and just take this one as center 90 and this one 120. Draw arcs cutting each other. Take it as because I am using without compass. So take it as x. So angle PQX, this is 105. This I have drawn dotted line. I have taken help of 90 degree because this is not a part of actual triangle. So this is dotted part. So angle PQX is 105. Now at P, draw angle of 35 using protractor. It is not multiple of 15. So using protractor, you will put protractor here. This is 0 degree, then 35. And which will cut this ray at This point will be your R point. This is Y. And this will be your 35 degree. This is coincidence because I have not used protractor and compass. So it can be down, it can be up. So this is your required triangle PQR. Let's write steps of construction. For steps, draw line segment PQ equal to 5 centimeter. Then at Q, draw angle or construct angle PQX equal to 105 using compass. Then at P, draw angle QPY equal to 35 degree, which cut QX ray at R. QX ray at R. And thus we get required triangle PQR. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now I want students should draw a line segment PQ 5 centimeter. Using compass at P, draw angle of 105 degree. Take appropriate radius, draw basic arc, then from 0 degree, 60 degree arc, then from 60, 120 degree. Then from 60 and 120 degree, draw angle of 90 degree. Because 105 is half of 210. And so that with the help of 90 degree and 120 degree, you will make angle of 105 as she has drawn dotted line because you need center. So this is 120 and that is 90 degree. Once extended, join. Yes, name it X. So this angle PQX is 105. And angle P using protractor 35. And when you will extend, it will cut QX ray at R. Thus you get required triangle PQR. Here angle Q is 105, angle P is 35 and angle Q automatically it will come by angle sum property 40 degree. Well done beta. Try side PQ. With the appropriate radius. Yes, basic arc. All the angles we will Take center on this arc only. This is 60 degree. It is 120. $90. Using 120 and 90, draw angle of 105. Name it X, QX. Draw 35. 0, 10, 20, 30, 35. Now extend it. That is, write it there. Y. This is R. Yes. Well done, beta. Thus you get, this is triangle PQR. Angle Q is 105. Angle P is 35. Angle Q 40 degree. Okay, well done, Kavya. Okay, well done, beta. Correct. Well done, Nipun. I hope this is clear to everyone. This is all for today. Thank you for watching it.